Hello everyone, this is Juan with King Credit, giving result in the first 30 days. I just want to show you some videos, I'm sorry, of new stuff, new account, new client that has been happening. Look at this. You see, when you go over the 30% of credit utilization on any credit card, your credit get hit. You see, with credit usage, you're supposed to be at least at 30% or 28%. I always say 28% because this will be in green and not in yellow or not in red. That is bad. Because then when you apply for a credit card, the thing, you won't get approved for big type amount of credit card because the bank's going to feel scared of you spending all this money, okay? So look at this. My client, my great friend, she got in touch with me trying to see result in the first 30 days. She told me, hey, Juan, I need help, okay? I do have this Amex right here. Amex, you see, if you look it over here, you see the Amex. If I click it, you see she pretty much maxed it out. Credit limit 2000. She used 2010, maxed it out. She said, I need help getting this account removed. So this is what happened. If I go over here, let me just say the information. I don't want to share too much to protect the identity of my client. December 26. Look at today, January 13. And look at this, okay? I'm going to go over here to not share the name. 729 credit score. But if you go down, keep going down, just to account. You see, 729 credit score. And I'm going to press it, boom. Amex has been deleted. But I'm going to go over here with Experian. I'm going to go to alerts to make sure that this is legit. You see dispute result ready. I'm going to press it. I'm going to see view dispute results. 1 second. I'm going to show you this. Okay, so y'all can understand. And look at this. Look at this. Okay, deleted. Amex deleted. This is what we do. King Credit Repair will give you result in the first 30 days. I got people telling me, hey, Juan, you know, I wanted to have a great credit score. And every price is different, okay? Some prices are cheaper than other because every case is different. But you're seeing the result, man. We don't play. We give you result in the first 30 days. Like I tell people, we are the only company that if within 30 days you don't see result, we'll refund your money back guaranteed. We'll have a legal contract signed and notarized. We'll send you a copy. We'll stay with the copy and you'll see a result. I'm happy for my client. She went up, 729, great credit score. That credit card removed. You pay for what you get for, okay? King Credit Repair will give you result in the first 30 days. Take care.